tail suspension test is a common behavioral test used to predict antidepressant efficacy of various experimental manipulations. This movie demonstrates the procedures of this test. The tail suspension test is validated for the mouse and is not recommended for larger rodents. In the tail suspension test, mice are suspended by their tails. The mouse remains suspended for 6 minutes. The subject's behaviors are recorded during this time. At the end of the 6-minute test period, the tape is removed from the tail of the subject. After the test is completed, the visual recordings are transferred to a computer or video monitor for analysis. An observer measures the time a mouse spends struggling during the entire 6-minute session. Compounds with antidepressant properties increase the amount of time mice spend struggling. This is reflected by shorter periods of immobility. For example, we have reported that the mood-stabilizing medication lithium, which is clinically useful as an adjunct antidepressant medication, decreased immobility time in the tail suspension test. Hello, my name is Sean from the laboratory of Dr. Todd Gould in the Department of Psychiatry at the University of Maryland School of Medicine in Baltimore.
Hi, I'm Chantelle from the same lab.
In this video, we are going to show you how to perform and score the tail suspension test.
The tail suspension test is used to evaluate the potential efficacy of antidepressant treatments.
So let's go to the lab and show you how to run the experiment. Though not required, we use a specially designed